Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan and in today's video I have got my Traxxas MAXX with me. And as you guys can see, it basically still looks brand new because I've only used it once, and the only time I used it was to do a speed test with it. And on the box it says it can go 40 miles per hour on 3S with the stock gearing and 55 on 4S with stock gearing, and it did spot on. It was completely spot on with that, guys. It did 40 miles per hour with the 3S pack, and it did 55 with the 4S pack. So that was pretty surprising. But I have her out today, guys, to actually do like the first bash with it. I'm just at a park. I'm traveling for work. I'm in Illinois. I've been to this park before, but I'm in a different part of the park. There's a bunch of people in the other part of the park where I wanted to go, and they're making noise and stuff. So I had to find a quieter spot to try to film. So I found this other little spot right here. So we got a little bit of space. Got a little bit of road right here to play on, a little bit of pavement, but so I'm going to be running her on 3S, guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and if it doesn't break, we're going to put a 4S pack in it, and then we're going to rip it around on 4S and just see what the thing's like. So let me go ahead and get a 3S pack installed, and then we're going to jump right in this video. This should be a heck of a lot of fun. Alright guys, so this is going to be the 3-cell pack that I'm going to be throwing in. It's a 5,000 milliamp 50C discharge rate HRB pack. And like I said, if we make it through this pack without anything breaking and no problems, we're going to throw in this 4S pack, this 6,500 milliamp 60C discharge rate Yomi power pack. So let me go ahead and get this thrown in. Time to get my controller switched on. And let's go ahead and power up the machine. The easy set button is over here. So let's go ahead and get the body put on. This is as good as the body's going to look, so take a good look at it. I have yet to reinforce it. I'm feeling kind of lazy. We'll see if I end up doing that, but hopefully she doesn't get beaten up too bad in this first run, because the body's still in perfect condition. All right, got the body mounted on, so here we go. Ooh, tumbled it already, guys, and on pavement. There we go. It can do a wheelie on 3S, it just cannot hold it. Like it can do it, but like it can pop it up. It flips pretty easily though, I do have to say that. Yeah, flips very easily. I got to get used to that. I can see probably why people do the WideMaxx kit on this, because yeah, she's tumbling pretty easily because she does not have that width. How about wheelie? Ready, get set, go! Let's take her off-road, guys. Well, I almost tipped her there. I think she already hit low voltage mode. Yeah. Wow, that was fast. That was a fully charged pack. It was at 12.6 volts. I'm pinned and that's all she has. I mean, it can still pull a wheelie, but it's topping out super fast. All right, pull the body off. Which so far, the body doesn't look like it's in too bad a shape. It looks like right here it got scuffed up a little bit. That's to be expected. Well, we'll just get her unplugged, guys, and we kind of got a feel for what she's like on 3S. It's, even though it can go 40 miles per hour on the street, it's kind of underwhelming when you're trying to bash. on 3S. Just doesn't feel like it has quite enough juice. So let's go ahead and let's get the 4S pack swapped in. And to install the 4S pack, I got to remove this little spacer piece right here. And then the 4S pack will be a very snug fit still. I think it'll fit though. Push it all the way down in there. Yep, nice and snug. Get her plugged in and get her started up. So let's go ahead and power her on. All right, throw the body on and see what she has on 4S. There we go. This thing's very susceptible to flipping, I've noticed. Very easy to flip this thing. Like even there, like I didn't even turn it that sharply. I did not turn it even that sharp and it wanted to flip. So there, like, that's about the limit right there. Otherwise it wants to go over. Yeah, right there, it just wanted to go over. Yeah, I have to say, way easier to flip than the X-Maxx when you're turning. So clearly it's not as wide, hence why I'm sure they make the WideMaxx kit, and there's no WideMaxx kit for the X-Maxx. So I think that tells you right out of the box this thing's probably not wide enough, because it doesn't have the wide enough stance to keep it planted, unfortunately. That's one thing I've noticed. And you know what, I kind of already knew this, guys, because talking with Elijah, I've run his, but his has the WideMaxx kit. But he told me when he got his Max and he first got it, he was thinking about selling it. He did not like it at all before he put the WideMaxx kit on it. That's what he told me. So I was kind of expecting that I might not like it that much without the WideMaxx as well. And I'm starting to kind of understand why he said that. Because yeah, she's very easy to flip. So unless I want to go fetch her every single time I make a turn, I might have to get the WideMaxx kit myself. Actually, I may have already gotten the WideMaxx kit. Maybe the first upgrade? We will see. But it will wheelie no problem. Oh my gosh, so easy. Flyby. She's quick though. Back. Oh. First major tumble. And this does have self-righting, guys, but I'm not going to bother with that because I don't want to damage any gears already. So let's get over to it and get her flipped back over. Ooh, almost hit the sign. Bringing her back. Ooh, did a front flip. Yeah, it doesn't really feel like it's soaking up the bumps. There's two pretty big bumps right in here. It doesn't feel like it's soaking them up very well, even though this does have these, what are these GTX shocks or GT Max shocks, whatever they're called. And they have a decent amount of travel to them, but for whatever reason, it doesn't feel like it's taking these hits very well, the suspension anyway. But let's keep on going. Another wheelie. Ready, get set, go! Really, you don't even have to give it full throttle for it to wheelie from a stop. Like right there, that was only like a quarter throttle, if even. That's not even that much throttle, and it'll lift up the front pretty easily. Here's half. You definitely can't hold her pinned. That was holding her pinned. The wheelie bar is more of a hindrance with this thing so far, I've noticed. Just seems more like it's catching on that wheelie bar and flipping over itself, which sometimes happens with the MAXX, but maybe just because this is a smaller scale machine, it seems to be happening more and much easier. It's hard to keep the thing down. Turn it around, bring it back, a little bit of speed. There, like there, it kind of soaked up the bump, but it doesn't feel like it's soaking them very well. It's definitely quick, but flips very easily. Ah, bummer. Let's get it tipped back over. How about a flyby real quick? Here we go. All right. Even though it's like a smaller brother to the MAXX, it feels way different. It does not feel like the MAXX very much at all. Let's bring her back. Flyby. Nearly lost control of it there. Almost went into the bushes. Flyby again. It wheelies pretty darn easily though. It's just kind of a matter of keeping it at that balance point, because otherwise it catches on that wheelie bar and flips over itself. But yeah, no shortage of power, but it's weird. The way the power comes on feels kind of weird. Like, it feels like it has really good power from the low end because, like I said, it's hard to not pop up the front end. Like there, that's just a little bit of throttle and you saw the front end still popped up. Like you have to really kind of roll onto the throttle if you want the thing to not lift the nose up. Like, ooh, tumbled it, gotta go get it. Ah, crap. Can we get out? We're out. Celebration wheelie. Ooh. She's definitely not a drifting machine. Like right now, I'm pushing it to its limit, guys. I'm really pushing it to its limit. And I just exceeded that limit. Let's put it on the picnic table and jump it off the picnic table. That'll be cool. Here we go. That was nice. Let's take her down that way. We got a little bit of space. Bring it this way. 3/4 throttle, pinned. Shit, went in the woods. Let's get her out of these thickets. Caught up in the thorns, kind of. Just got a thorn in my hand. Oh, frick. Ow. pinned. I wonder if I can do a backflip off the tree. Landed it. I don't even know if I got that on camera. That was pretty cool though. I've broken shocks on the MAXX though doing stuff like that. I want to try that one more time. I think that should be the end of the video, guys. I think we've seen basically what this machine can do, and I should probably stop it before I break something. It's about to go into low voltage mode anyway, but if you guys did enjoy this initial test, this initial bash, I guess you could say, with the Traxxas MAXX, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I truly do appreciate that. Every single time you guys are leaving this a thumbs up really means a lot. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so, and if you do, make sure to hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I do come out with new videos, which I do on a very regular basis, multiple times a week. I don't think we broke anything. I wonder if the rear hub carriers on this are quite as weak as the MAXX ones, because the MAXX is one of the weakest points on the MAXX I've noticed is the rear hub carriers. I don't think we broke any arms. I'm not seeing any cracks. This is just a real quick inspection, but I don't think we broke anything, but I think you guys probably already know I've kind of given it away what the first upgrade is going to be. So watch for that video, guys, and then we're going to do some testing once we do that upgrade. I will see you guys in the next video. Later.